Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to secure your Google Chrome browser. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your Google Chrome. Then from here, just go to the three dot icon on the top right corner. Then from here, just click on Help and go to About. And inside About Chrome, you're gonna find that your Chrome is up to date. And if it's not, you should click on the Update button and update Chrome to the latest version. And after that, what you need to do is just go back to the three dot icon, click on it, and go to Settings. Then from Settings, on the left-hand menu, you're gonna find Privacy and Security. Just click on that. And from here, if you scroll down a bit, you're gonna find Security option. Just click on this. From here, under Safe Browsing, make sure to turn on Enhanced Protection. Just click on this. And after that, just go back. And from here, another step that you can do is just delete your browsing data. Just click on the first one. And from here, you got two options, basic or advanced. Just click on one of them. You can also select the time range. And after that, just click on delete data. This is going to delete all the browsing data and make your Chrome faster. And another step which you can do is, which will be the last step, just go to your extensions. Click on manage extensions. And from here, just simply remove all the unnecessary extensions that you don't need. Just remove all of them. This is going to help you a lot. And basically that is it. And that is how to secure your Google Chrome browser. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.